Hi, friends. Welcome to Talk Through Tales. Here, you'll enjoy stories in three levels. Level 1 is very easy, with simple words and short sentences. Level 2 is a little higher. You'll learn more words and practice longer sentences. Level 3 is advanced, with rich vocabulary and expressions to make your English strong. Step by step, these stories will improve your listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So, enjoy the stories and grow your English with us every day. Level 1, Story 11, The Thirsty Crow, Level 1. It was a hot summer day. The sun was very bright. A crow was flying in the sky. He was very thirsty. He looked for water everywhere. He flew over trees and houses. He flew over fields and roads. But he could not find water. He felt very weak. He thought, I will die if I do not get water. At last, he saw a pot under a tree. The crow felt happy. He quickly flew down. He looked inside the pot. There was a little water at the bottom. The crow tried to drink it, but his beak could not reach the water. The crow was sad. He thought for some time. Then he saw some small stones near the pot. He got an idea. He picked up a stone in his beak. He dropped it into the pot. The crow picked up more stones. He dropped them one by one. Slowly, the water came up. The crow was very happy. He drank the water. His thirst was gone. He felt strong again. The crow flew away. He was glad because he had used his smart mind. Moral: we can solve problems with wisdom. 1. Thirsty, feeling need for water. Example 1. The crow was very thirsty. Example 2. I am thirsty after running. 2. Bright, full of light. Example 1. The sun was very bright. Example 2. The lamp is bright. 3. Weak, not strong. Example 1. The crow felt weak. Example 2. The old man is weak. 4. Bottom, lowest part. Example 1. The water was at the bottom. Example 2. Coins are at the bottom of the box. 5. Beak, mouth of a bird. Example 1. The crow put his beak in the pot. Example 2. The parrot has a red beak. 6. Stone, hard small rock. Example 1. The crow dropped a stone in the pot. Example 2. He threw a stone into the river. 7. Slowly, not fast. Example 1. The water came up slowly. Example 2. I walk slowly in the park. 8. Wisdom, good sense, knowledge. Example 1. The crow solved the problem with wisdom. Example 2. We should use wisdom in life. Level 2. Story 11. The Thirsty Crow. Level 2. Once upon a time, a crow felt very thirsty. It was a hot day. The sun was shining and the water in the pond had dried. The crow looked for water everywhere. After a long search, it saw a pot under a tree. The pot had some water at the bottom, but the water was too low. The crow could not reach it with its beak. The crow thought carefully. It wanted to drink the water. Then it had an idea. The crow picked up small stones from the ground. It dropped one stone into the pot. The water rose a little. The crow kept dropping stones into the pot. Slowly, the water came near the top. At last, the crow could drink it. It drank the water happily. The crow felt very happy and refreshed. It flew away singing. The crow was clever and patient. It did not give up. Moral: think and act wisely. Patience can solve difficult problems. 1. Thirsty, needing water. Example 1. The crow was thirsty. Example 2. I am thirsty. 2. Hot, having high temperature. Example 1. It was a hot day. Example 2. The water is hot. 3. Pot, a container. Example 1. The crow saw a pot. Example 2. I put water in the pot. 4. Bottom. सबसे निचला हिस्सा, तल नीचे. उदाहरण. 1. पानी सबसे नीचे था. Example 2. The ball is at the bottom. 4. Stone a small rock. Example 1. The crow picked stones. Example 2. I threw a stone. 5. Carefully with attention. Example 1. The crow thought carefully. Example 2. I write carefully. 6. Patient, able to wait. Example 1. The crow was patient. Example 2. I am patient. 7. Clever, smart, and quick thinking. Example 1. The crow was clever. Example 2. She is clever. 8. Problem, a difficulty. Example 1. The crow solved the problem. Example 2. I have a problem. 9. Refresh, feel better after rest or drink. Example 1. The crow felt refreshed. Example 2. I feel refreshed after water. Level 3. Story 11. The Thirsty Crow. Level 3. On a scorching summer day, a crow wandered across the fields, feeling extremely parched. Every pond and stream it approached had dried up under the relentless sun. Its throat was dry, and it desperately needed water. After a long and tiresome search, the crow spotted a clay pot partially hidden under a tree. A small amount of water shimmered at the bottom, but it was far too low for the crow to reach. The crow paused and examined the situation carefully. It realized that brute force would not help. Then an ingenious idea struck its mind. The crow began collecting pebbles from the ground and dropping them one by one into the pot. With each stone, the water level inched higher. Patiently and persistently, the crow continued this process. Gradually, the water rose to the brim, allowing the crow to quench its thirst. It drank deeply, feeling revitalized and satisfied. With its thirst finally alleviated, the crow spread its wings and soared into the sky. Its intelligence, patience, and perseverance had triumphed over adversity. Moral, wisdom, and perseverance can overcome even the toughest challenges. 1. Scorching, very hot, burning. Example 1. I stayed inside because the weather was scorching. Example 2. The scorching sun made it hard to walk outside. 2. Wandered, to move around without a fixed path or purpose. Example 1. I wandered through the park to relax my mind. Example 2. The lost child wandered around the market. 3. Parched, extremely dry or very thirsty. Example 1. I felt parched after running in the heat. Example 2. The fields looked parched because of no rain. 4. Relentless, continuing without stopping or showing pity. Example 1. The relentless rain flooded the city. Example 2. She worked with relentless energy to finish the project. 5. Shimmered, to shine with a soft flickering light. Example 1. The stars shimmered in the night sky. Example 2. The water shimmered under the moonlight. 6. Brute force, using physical strength instead of intelligence or skill. Yusiko or Example 1. He tried to open the door with brute force. Example 2. Success often requires smart work, not just brute force. 7. Ingenious, very clever and original in solving problems. Example 1. She had an ingenious plan to save time. Example 2. The scientist came up with an ingenious invention. 8. Pebbles, small, smooth stones found on the ground or near water. Example 1. I collected colorful pebbles from the riverbank. Example 2. The children threw pebbles into the pond. 9. Persistently, continuing firmly and steadily despite difficulties. Example 1. She studied persistently until she passed the exam. Example 2. The rain fell persistently all night. 10. Quench to satisfy thirst or desire. Example 1. I drank cold water to quench my thirst. Example 2. The rain quenched the dry earth. 11. Revitalized to make something strong, active, or energetic again. Example 1. The cool breeze revitalized me after a long walk. Example 2. A short nap revitalized his tired mind. 12. Perseverance. The ability to keep trying even when things are difficult. Example 1. His perseverance helped him achieve his dreams. Example 2. With hard work and perseverance, success is sure. Thank you so much for joining us on Talk Through Tales. I hope you enjoyed it and also learned some new words. Keep watching Level 1, Level 2, and Level 3 stories to improve step by step. Practice daily, and soon you will speak English with confidence. See you in the next story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories.